Good morning, student. So today I'm going to discuss about our revision part or the back things or the preliminary or the basic of the SQL. So SQL basic, what we are going to see. So see here. Here I have given one table. Table is there that has got a name, then roll number, gender, marks, and date of birth. You have to create a table. After creating the table, what you have to do, you have to make the roll number as a primary key. You have to enter the value in the table and you have to show the table. This is the first preliminary work that has been assigned to us. So what you see is that, see here, the SQL I have opened. Okay, my SQL version is this. This is the version 5.5.25 is the version of it, and this is the particular thing. The copyright is to 2000 and 2011 Oracle 8 under the Oracle 8. So I have given here the password. What is the password? 123. For here I have set up one password. In your school you will find that the password is 1234. Okay, so now you want to see that what are the tables or what are the databases exist there. Let us see what before creating any of the table, if the database name is not given, first and foremost your work is to create the database. Okay, to create the database. When you can create the database, then only you can proceed for the next part. So what you will do, show databases. Okay, show databases. So as you do show databases, see here the database what exists there, that database will going to show. Now suppose you want to create your own database, first a new database. So I am giving here create database database. So new database you want to create. So suppose I am giving here new school. Okay, new school semicolon. So this is the database has been created. You note it down in your copy. This is the database what has been created there. Okay, after creating this database, what you will do, you give enter. See query. Okay, one row effect. So is this database exists there or not? How to check? What you will do, you will again write show databases. Okay, you will write the show databases. As you write the show databases semicolon, enter, you see here what new school exists. Okay, so you have to go inside the database. How to go inside the database? Use new CHOOL school. Use new school. As you write this, see database change. That means it has entered into the database. Now is there any table exists there or not? So you write it the thing to change into the new database, to go into a new database. So use then the database name. Okay, so database name is here new school. Now what we find that you will going to change the particular thing. That means you want to see that inside a database how many tables are there. So what you write, SHOW, show TABLES, tables. Okay, so see here empty set. Why empty set? Because there not a single table is exist here. Okay, due to which it show you the empty set here in this particular area. Now dear student, you see here this is the table name is a student. Okay, and what are the things are there? Roll number, name, gender, marks, and DOB. Again I am saying, see it very nicely, roll number, name, gender, marks, and DOB. Now what will be the data type of it? That is first you have to decide. Now roll number, this particular roll number, the data type of the roll number will be integer pattern. Okay, now next what you can find it, that name data type is what? It is a varchar pattern. Okay, this is gender is we can give a character pattern, mark is what? Integer pattern, and DOB is date pattern. Now DOB in this format, what the format is given here, in this format the date you cannot enter at the moment what we are going to do. Okay, this is not the way that we're going to accept in this phase. So let us see what it and how it will work, what and how it will work. So dear student, now you have to create a table. How to create a table? CREATE, create TABLE, table. Now the name, See here, student, student. You can write this in this capital letter, or you can write in small letter also. So whatever the letter you want, you can write it. Totally depend on you that how you will going to write it. So this is the name has been given here. Now what I'll going to do, I'll going to create the structure. What is the structure? First thing is a roll number. Okay, roll, roll number. Roll number, there should not be any gap. Now roll number is what? Integer, integer, integer. Now what is the length? You can specify, else you can leave it like this. Now it is a primary key as per the question. Okay, so primary, primary, key, primary key, then comma. Don't put any semicolon here, comma. After that, what? Name, name. Name is what? Varchar, varchar, varchar. Now I am giving the length 20. Now what is the difference between a char and varchar? What is the difference between a char and varchar? So char and varchar difference is that when you specify char, suppose your name is of 10 letter, okay, giving a space and all, so extra 10 space will be remain. That 10 space will be total wastage, nothing can be done with that. But when you are giving a varchar, that means it can be alterable. Alterable means you will not do anything. Suppose a 10 space is used here for the name with giving a blank space and all, so let's raise the 10 space what is there, that will be taken by whom? That will be taken by the machine, and it will be utilized in some other area. Okay, so varchar 20. After that, what you will going to do, you have the next portion. What is the next portion? That is a gender. Gender is what? Gender I am giving here char, char. Now why char? Because here I have only a fixed length. More than 3 we don't require anything. Okay, so there is a wastage is very less. So for this, we can give here varchar also. There is no any specification. After this, what we will going to have their marks and then their date of birth. So marks, okay, marks. Marks is what? Integer, 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 or you can give here decimal if you want. So integer. Next, what? Next is the date of birth, DOB. Date of birth is what type? DATE, date type. Okay, now you close the bracket and give a semicolon. Let's see what it will going to show to you. See here, it is okay. That means the thing is okay and it has been working in a proper way. Now you want to see the structure of the table. What you will going to write? Please, all of you, please note it down, all the things. What you will going to write? DESC, or you can write describe also. Okay, DESC, then the table name. What is the table name? Table name is student, STUDENT. Okay, then semicolon, enter. See here, the structure is been shown to you, isn't it? Roll number is what? Roll number is an integer pattern. Integer pattern in a null, you see? No. Why no? Because it is a primary key. Primary key will not going to have any type of null values. Okay, the name is what? Varchar, varchar 20. Null value can be accepted here, null value will be there. Gender is what? Gender, you see here, gender is 3. Character space, what I have said you earlier, varchar and character difference, that character wastage is much more, varchar wastage is minimum. Okay, so we will prefer to use the varchar. Now marks, I haven't specified anything. See, integer I have specified, so it has taken the length integer 11. Okay, and date of birth is the date type. Now you have to see what are the values there in the particular table that you will going to enter. Now you see here, those are the values you have to enter. Roll number is 1, Rajkumar, then gender male 93. So here the values are given. You can use any pattern of value, any as the information is given here. So you can use those information to insert, or you can also use your own information if you want to create your own. Okay, so that can be varied. So here you will see some of the values I am going to enter from here, some of the value I am going to enter as per the required case. Okay, so as per the required, I am going to enter those values. Now dear students, see here, this is the structure. Now you have to enter the value. How to enter? Insert, ACRT, insert into, what is the table name? Student. Okay, STUDENT, student. Then values, VALUES, values. Now what is the pattern of values? So from here you can give, first roll number is integer type. Suppose I am giving here 1. Okay, 1, then comma, then the name is what? Varchar. Varchar will come in a single inverted comma. Okay, Varchar will come in a single inverted comma. Suppose I am giving the name Raj, MAHATO, Mahato. Okay, Raj Mahato. So comma, after that then what is, we have gender. Gender is a character, that means male or female. So male, I am giving, it will also come within a single inverted comma. Then after that what we will find, that marks we can give any pattern of marks, suppose 98. Then you see here that we will going to enter the date of birth is first the year. Suppose I am giving the year 2000. Okay, 2000. Then after 2000, then the month, which month? Suppose 07. Then the date is suppose 21. So now you close the bracket, semicolon, enter. One row affected. Now you will going to do the particular next one. Okay, next one, what you will going to do? See here, I am writing number 2. Then I am changing the name, AMRITA, Amrita, JOSH, Amrita Joshi. Then it will be female. Okay, mark suppose 99. Now date of birth also I am changing here, 19, suppose 2001. Okay, then month I am changing, month suppose 5. Date is also I am changing, date suppose 26. Clear? So this is the thing what you have done. We have done it, and enter. So one row effect. So this way you can give the values and you can enter the data in the database. Okay, another value, let us enter the another value. So we can bring it, insert into student values. What will be? Suppose 3. Then the name I am changing. Okay, name I am making SRUTI, Shruti, SINH, Sinha, female. Okay, mark suppose 95. Date of birth suppose 100. Okay, 100, 2002. Its month also I am changing, suppose 2. Then date I am giving suppose 15. Okay, so enter. Okay, so this way what you can find, that you can enter the value, as many values are there, that is being done. So what we have done, first and foremost, we have created the table. After creating the table, we have made the table. Okay, after creating the table, before creating the table, we have create one database. Okay, we have created one database. Always remember, one database to be created first. After the database is created, then you have to see what the databases are there, is the database exist or not. Then you have to use that database. That means you have to go inside the database. How? Use the database name. Then you have to see that if any table existed, because it is a newly created, therefore no table will exist here. Okay, so I am creating one table, create table student, and roll number, integer, primary key and all that has been given. Name as varchar, gender as character, marks are integer, and date of birth is a date type. Okay, then the DSC student means to see the structure of the database what has been created. Okay, after creating it, what you find that I have inserted 3 values there. Okay, as per your question, there are 10 values, you will insert a 10 values. This way, how? Insert into student values, then you will write it. Say roll number is integer, so it is the integer field. Then next one is name, name is a varchar, so come within a single inverted comma. Gender is what? Character pattern, so come within a single inverted comma. Okay, then what we can find it, the number marks is with this particular thing, marks came in a without an inverted comma, then we have a date of birth, a date type, so it will come within a inverted comma. So let us see what are the values, how the table is now. So what you will write, select asterisk, asterisk means all, this is an wild character that is been used, asterisk from what? Table name. What is the table name? Student, student. Okay, student, semicolon. So enter. See here, those the 3 values has been entered, and those the 3 value what has been entered. Based on that, what we can find, that we can do this thing. This is the first preliminary basic, that how to create a table, how to insert the value in a table before creating the table to create a database, isn't it? So all these things are there, what we have done here. Okay, so thank you students. I am ending today's session here. Thank you all.